In 1980, the quiet town of Fall River, Massachusetts, was shaken by a series of gruesome murders tied to a satanic cult. The case centered around a young woman named Karen Marsden, who was last seen alive on a cold January night. Karen had been part of a group involved in occult practices, led by a man named Carl Drew, a local pimp with a reputation for violence. Karen, terrified for her life, had confided to friends that she wanted to leave the group. She claimed Carl Drew demanded loyalty through blood rituals and that anyone who betrayed him would face a brutal death. Days later, Karen disappeared. Months later, her remains were discovered in a wooded area. Her skull was found separate from her body, and investigators uncovered evidence of a ritualistic killing. Witnesses came forward, describing how Karen had been lured into the woods, where Drew and his followers performed a satanic ritual. She was beaten, tortured, and ultimately killed as a sacrifice to the devil. The investigation revealed a web of manipulation, fear, and violence. Drew was eventually convicted of orchestrating Karen's murder, along with other cult-related killings. His accomplices, including a woman named Robin Murphy, testified against him in exchange for reduced sentences. The case left the town haunted not just by the brutality of the crimes, but by the chilling reality of how easily people were drawn into a world of darkness and control. To this day, the Fall River cult murders remain one of the most terrifying true crime stories.